Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, first you're going to open up your CapCut PC application. Then you're going to import your video. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. So if we want to remove watermark, first we need to duplicate our video, or you can add one more video as an overlay like this at the same video, and then you're going to use the mask feature to cover the watermark. You can click on the mask and add mask, and then choose the shape of the mask that you want. I would like to recommend you to use the circle mask, but actually it depends on the type of the watermark that you want to remove. Okay, and then you can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of your video which can cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part, and then we're going to go back to the basic and drag the mask so it can cover the watermark. Okay, and I'm going to make it more natural, so I'm going to go back to the mask and adjust the feather. You can also adjust the lightness, the brightness until you're satisfied. Okay, I need to adjust it one more time. Alright, and let's see. Okay, it looks perfect, but wait. Okay, done. And I know guys that this trick won't be able to be applied to all types of video, but at least you know the trick. And if the watermark is moving, you can try to use keyframe to make the mask follow the moving object. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!